So you're thinking about moving to Lakewood Ranch. Hi, my name is Wendy Lynn. Today we are in the Sweetwater neighborhood and we are in the model Calusa. Calusa can be anywhere from 3 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bathrooms, can range anywhere from 2,200 square feet to 3,300 square feet. And you can have it as a 1-story home or a 2-story home. So it's nice that you can customize the home exactly the way you want it. In this community of Sweetwater, we have a fitness center, a community pool, nature trails. It's a gated neighborhood, maintenance free. There's gonna be 500 single family home and garden villas, and it's also a natural gas community. So if you like to cook on the gas top, we've got it here for you. So if you're interested in this neighborhood, we're gonna go ahead and take a closer look at those amenities right now. If you liked our video today on Sweetwater and you want to learn about more neighborhoods and communities that we are going to be showing you soon, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.